They hit a 500 Hz sensor inside, and it needs charging like your phone before every match. Wait till you see where it's born in a surprising place. One tiny ball, 4 panels, a chip that tracks every kick 500 times a second. But the real shock? Who makes it? This isn't just a soccer ball anymore. It's a flying data machine built for the biggest World Cup ever. Stay with me and you'll discover how a ball made in Pakistan with space-tested tech will decide offsides in real time at the 2026 World Cup. Why it matters: faster referee calls, more predictable flight, and a manufacturing process that's equal parts old-school craftsmanship and sci-fi engineering. This is Factory Intelligence, the place where every hidden secrets behind factory closed doors are brought to light. I suggest you subscribe and turn on all notifications if you want to see the next factory secret that will be revealed. For 50+ years, Adidas has made every official World Cup ball. But the Trionda for 2026? It's a leap. But why only 4 panels? Hosted across 3 countries, red for Canada, blue for USA, green for Mexico, the Trionda wave design honors the first multi-nation cup. The hidden game changer? A 14G sensor that records position, spin, speed 500 times per second. And it gets charged before kickoff, micro reward at 2:45. Let's dive into Sialkot, Pakistan, the soccer ball capital of the world, producing 70% of global balls. From hand-stitching history to thermal bonding. Polyurethane sheets precision die cut into 4 curved panels, then layer with foam and fabric for perfect balance. No more waterlogged seams. Thermal bonding in massive presses. Heat fuses panels at molecular level around the latex bladder. 0 threads. The sensor panel. Tiny chip embedded with counterweights for a perfect balance. Tested on the ISS. What happens in quality control will blow your mind. Rigorous testing. 2,000+ high-speed impacts, drop tests, pressure checks, water absorption, visual AI inspection. Final cleaning, homologation, packaging. Only the perfect ones ship. But here's the counterintuitive twist. Fewer panels plus textured surface equals more stable, predictable flight with better player control. Yet some keepers already complain it's too fast. Despite all the tech, the soul is still skilled hands, and Sialkot bonding layers the old way. Craft meets AI. Which World Cup ball evolution shocked you most? Drop it below and smash like if you want more factory deep dives. Subscribe for making of every iconic object. Next, how the World Cup trophy is guarded. The ball that charges like your phone and flies like the future.